Hey, I've been looking all over the house for you.
What do you want?
I just wanted to talk to you.
Do you mind not slamming my gate?
I didn't slam it.
You just heard it! You slammed it!
No, I didn't! You're overreacting!
Millie, what do you want? I came out here to be by myself, not with you!
You never want to be with me!
What do you want?
I just wanted to talk to you!
What do you want?
Well, for starters, I want my stuff back.
You're not getting your games back.
And I want my glasses fixed! The tape's falling off of them!
You're not getting them! Okay?
The tape's not holding them together!
You broke your own glasses!
No, I didn't!
You broke them!
You broke them!
You broke them! You threw them!
Yeah, but it was your fault!
You threw them!
I threw them because of you!
Fuck, get away from me!
Tony, come back!
Shut up!
Come back! Tony, wait! I just wanted to talk. Tony! I just wanted to talk to you!
Leaving my doors open!
I didn't leave it open, you did!
left that open!
It was already open!
You left it open!
No, it wasn't!
You left it open!
You did!
What do you want?
I just wanted to talk to you!
About what? Your stupid games?
I want my stuff back!
I'm out there trying to relax! You gotta fucking piss me off!
We're never home! This is the only time I have to talk to you!
You talk to me every night I come home from work, you selfish bitch! What do you want?
I want my stuff back!
No!
I want my glasses fixed!
No!
Why not?
You broke them!
It wasn't my fault!
You broke them!
I can't see without them!
You broke them! It's your fault! If you didn't want them broken, you shouldn't have thrown them!
You throw things all the time!
Yeah, you know what? I can buy new ones if I want, but I don't care!
That's not
If you
fair!
need those glasses, you should have replaced them!
That's not fair! You know I don't have money!
That's your problem then, isn't it?
No? You stole all of my money! I'm not even asking for all of it back! I just want my glasses
Look,
fixed!
I have enough issues to deal with right now, okay? I'm already pissed off at you about last night!
What the hell did I do last
You
night?
know what you did? I told you not to go buy any more fucking sweets for Samantha!
I didn't!
The cakes!
I didn't think it was
Look at
that
'em!
much!
Look at them!
It's... Shit! Well, I thought everyone could have it!
Everything's always about you and Samantha!
I was
And I'm
trying to
sick
be
of it,
nice!
because you know whose house this is? It's mine! It's
I
my
was
house!
trying to be nice!
Shut up!
She's been living on fucking watermelons for months. I want
That's
her to
what
have
she
a
is to
drink.
think she's overweight, you motherfucker!
It was like a reward for
You
being
reward my
good.
ass! You just bought that the other night, didn't you?
Yeah.
How much of it's gone? Cause I don't eat this shit! How much of it's gone? Huh?
That's not my fault. I don't
You're lucky
know.
I don't throw that on the fucking floor!
It's not my fault how much of it she eats.
What do you want? Because I want to...
I already told you.
Well, you're not getting them! Okay? If you want to have a conversation that's normal and civilized...
That is.
No, it's not! You're not getting them! Leave me alone!
No.
What'd you say to me?
No.
What did you say to me?
I-
What did you say? Leave me alone, motherfucker!
Okay.
Don't come back outside either. I'm gonna go back out and relax.
Well, maybe I want to sit outside and relax too.
No, you stay in here.
I don't want to stay in the house.
You stay in here.
I don't want to.
Too bad.
Come back.
Millie,
What?
don't even think about it.
What am I supposed to do inside? You took all my stuff.
You stayed inside the other day anyway. Leave me alone.
How come you never want to spend time with me? Tony! Tony? I can sit out here and be quiet.
Get away.
I don't have to say anything. Okay, I am. Hey, I'm in the house. Tony just told me to sit inside of the house by myself without my stuff while he sits outside and has a nice relaxing time. And you know, it's a really nice day outside, and it's one of the few days that my boyfriend's actually home during the day, and like always, he doesn't want to spend any time with me, and he refuses to talk to me. Shut up, Sparky! Shut up! And he doesn't want to spend time with me, or talk to me, or give me back my stuff, and the fucking dog won't stop barking! Stop!